Next thing I want to talk about in relationship to liens is something that I think we've all had to deal with at one time or another. First lenders versus second lenders versus associations, condominium and homeowner associations. As most of you know, condos are governed by Chapter 718. Homeowner associations are governed by Chapter 720. Both condominium and homeowner associations, both statutes rather, limit the liability of the association to the first mortgagee of 12 months of unpaid assessments or 1% of the mortgage, whichever is less. What that means is that if the bank takes title through foreclosure, the bank owes the association 12 months of unpaid assessments or 1% of the mortgage, whichever one of those numbers is less. Something interesting in the statute, the condominium association must be joined in the foreclosure for that to apply. The homeowner association must be initially joined for that to apply. The word initially was left out of the condo statute. So how does this apply in practice? I actually had a case. It was a private mortgage holder. He wasn't getting paid. It was a condominium association. He hired a law firm to foreclose. The law firm did foreclose, took title, failed to name the association. The association said, "Fantastic, you failed to name us. Our bill is $40,000, payment in 5 days." The new homeowner, former mortgage holder, filed a re-foreclosure, which is something that you can do if you've accidentally left out a junior mortgage, a junior lien holder. You file a re-foreclosure, the court basically gives that lien holder a little bit of time to either object or not object, and if they do not object, they're then included in the foreclosure. The attorney included the condo association in a re-foreclosure. Condominium association objected and said, "You can't. The statute says we must be named." The legislators could have said initially joined in both cases, and they didn't. They only said initially joined as to homeowners associations. The fact that we filed a re-foreclosure means we joined the condo association, and therefore we should fall under the safe harbor of 12 months or 1%. Now, in this case, the mortgage was about $40,000. So the association that originally wanted about $40,000 ended up getting $400.